It wasn't fate, happenstance, or even luck that got us here, but a hunger for something everlasting. A way to see what others couldn't, to discover the beauty in perseverance, and to find solutions in the unexpected. Here, in the middle of the middle, where soybeans meet skyscrapers, people meet possibility, and Missouri pride runs from the Ozark Mountains to the northern plains. We cross boundaries to gain perspective, embrace differences to get closer to a solution, research this, solve that, find a way to turn this all around, then challenge everything we thought we knew. Because it's not enough to just talk about what's possible.
You gotta show me.
Show me.
Show me.
Show me the world through someone else's eyes, and what happens when chemists tackle cancer. Show me every side of the story, and a new way to keep our planet strong. Show me how to turn research into reality, and get a look at my career while I'm still taking classes. Show me how to go fast, how to find the truth, how to thrive. Show me what you've got.